How to make $100 per day online, part 15. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 15th video in a row I'm uploading for you. So guys, obviously all of these videos I'm uploading this month are about how to make $100 per day online. This one is no different, and you will absolutely love this one because actually it can make you so much more. It can make you thousands of dollars if you scale this up. Okay, so before I'm going to show you what it is, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. It really helps me out with the algorithm, so I do highly appreciate you for it. And check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my free courses, I have my coaching, I have all of the tools that I'm using to make money online and work from home. Check it all out. And right now let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, what this video is all about is creating an ebook and selling it on Kindle. So guys, this is probably the easiest way to create an online business that creates you passive income. Okay, so I actually have a few ebooks that I published back in 2012, 2013. I totally forgot about them, and they still make me money. You know, they make me maybe 10, 20, $50 per month, but it's totally passive income stuff that I'm not thinking actively about. And obviously the more ebooks you have, the more money you will be making. So the website is kdp.amazon.com, and here you can just sign in, and in a nutshell, what you have to do is just create a PDF and upload it to KDP, and they will instantly add it to the Kindle marketplace, which is cool because you have literally millions of people every single day browsing through Amazon on their Kindle or on their iPad and looking for new books. So you don't have to be a writer to do this. Okay, I'm not a writer, so I'm going to show you what I used to do. Okay, so this whole process is super simple. Again, if you know how to create a PDF, you are good to go. If you don't know how to create a PDF, just create a Word document and just save it as PDF instead of saving it as a Word document. This is how simple this is. Okay, so guys, what I used to do is I was creating recipe books, okay, cocktail recipe books. I used to be a bartender, that's why I was creating cocktail recipe books. This can be any recipe. Okay, you can just go to Google, type in literally cocktail recipes or keto diet recipes or vegan diet recipes, whatever you are into. Find recipes, maybe alter them slightly, compose a book with like 100 recipes or 30 recipes for, you know, every day of the month or whatever. Then you can go to free stock images and look for images for your book. So you can go to pexels.com. I typed in cocktails. Look at all of these free stock images, so you can use them in your book. You can also use pixabay.com. As you can see, amazing looking cocktails here as well, and they literally have millions of different images you can use. And you can also go to freeimages.com. Again, I typed in cocktails. They have just a bunch of different free images that you can use. So just compile everything in a Word document, you know, all of the recipes, all of the images, your name, you know, however you want to call the book. Save it as a PDF, then go to kdp.amazon.com, upload it. Obviously, I'm not going to be showing you how this whole process works right now. I just want to give you an idea, but it will literally take you 15 minutes after your recipe book is done. Okay, so this is just one idea. You can literally upload any kind of a book you want. Okay, you can even hire a ghostwriter to write a story about you know, science fiction or whatever you're into, and then publish it as an author on Amazon. So guys, again, I really like it because this is passive income. Once you upload it, you don't have to do anything. You can do some promotions, like to promote your book, or maybe give away some free copies, but people will be buying it literally forever until Amazon exists, or cease to exist rather. So I love this passive income idea. Can you make $100 per day online with it? Probably not in the beginning, but as you keep on adding more books, and if you're serious about it, you can definitely go past $100 per day. You can make $1,000 per day really easily. Just stick with it. So guys, that's the idea I have for you for today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. Again, check out all the links in the description, and check out the rest of the videos on this channel. This whole channel is about making money online and working from home. So check out the rest of the videos, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.